Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the mistakes which often technicians do during their work. When they finish the work and they not install back all the things which they have uninstalled before starting the work. That problem I faced on the wheel loader where today I was working. Because last week the link of that boom loader was broken and mechanic fixed another link. After fixing another link, they not fix back the boom sensor, boom level sensor, bucket level sensor and load sensor. Maybe they're thinking no need to these sensors. First you have watched this video which I made before diagnosing the problem. You can observe that this time this boom loader is working. So first of all you will check its bucket is very hardly closed. Okay, you can see it's very hardly closed. It's not closing easily. Secondly, when boom is going up, its speed is very slow. It's not going on speedily. Secondly, now is locked. Is again locked at any stage. So this time is locked here. Is coming down is okay. Coming down is no problem. It's stuck again. Is now operator is going. Operator is asking. It's not going up. So this is a problem to this loader. So here this one is also load sensor. Mechanic has removed this one because the wires are broken. Mechanics removed this sensor. They are asking no need this sensor. So I'm going to fix this sensor. After fixing this sensor, properly fix the wires, then I check the result. So here you can see these are the wires of the load sensor which are broken, and this is the place where this sensor will be installed in this place. So here's now these two sensors are also missing. This one is my bucket level sensor and this one is the boom level sensor. So I'm going to fix also these two sensors on their places. After installing I show you. Okay, so after it I will test it. Okay, so here you can see now I am fixing all three sensors, and after fixing that sensors I will test this loader and I'll show you the result. Okay, so this time I'm fixing the sensors. This sensor is I have fixed it. Okay, you can see one sensor is fixing. This load sensor is also I fixed it back and also joined its wires. Okay, harness also I finished. So now we have which fixed this one load sensor, and this also bucket level sensor, and this one is our boom level sensor. I fixed all three sensors because these sensors was removed by the mechanic during fixing this link. When they fix this link, they have removed all the sensors. You can see now I have fixed proper harness. Okay, you can see all the harness I fixed. This one is also boom level sensor. I fixed harness. Now my work finished. Now I'm going to test this. Well, you can see now is a back checking. Now the bucket full, going up. Now is going, speed is okay. Okay, now the speed is also okay. Now is my problem finished. Now is okay everything. you can see now is okay. Going up. Okay. Now is a full going up. Speed is okay, good. So now my problem has solved. The problem was that sensor, boom, and bucket level sensor, and fix also the load sensor. Now is working good. Now my problem has solved. If this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.